Hello. Today, we will take you on a journey through the lens to explore the cultivation, standardization, and processing of the small moxa plant using our advanced technology, ultimately transforming it into a familiar product. Additionally, we'll delve into the potential future applications of moxa. This is the largest moxa cultivation base located in Qichun, Hubei, China, spanning an impressive 1,000 mu, equivalent to around 165 acres. Within this facility, you can find a storage warehouse where fresh moxa leaves, purified materials, and essential oils are carefully stored. The moxa aging warehouse plays a crucial role as it is primarily used for storing dried moxa leaves, with a substantial capacity of up to 1,000 tons. In the moxa leaf deburring production workshop, you will discover an automated production line where moxa leaves undergo continuous processing to become top-quality moxa fuzz. The essential oil extraction production line is monitored from a control room. This control room displays the process flow, equipment operation status, quality parameters, and equipment stability. Such monitoring enhances product performance and ensures the smooth operation of the entire production process. Moxa leaves are transported along a conveyor line, where they undergo separation from their stems and are subsequently sorted. The chosen moxa leaves are then automatically directed to an extraction tank for essential oil extraction. Now, you can observe our fully automated production line, consisting of 4 lines in total. These lines can produce a remarkable 80,000 boxes per day, contributing to an annual output exceeding 48,000 boxes. For adhesive work and packaging, these large-scale machines are employed, enabling the production of 60,000 boxes daily and more than 25 million boxes annually.
Within the Research and Development Center, you will find experts dedicated to process development, quality standards, product quality tracking, and the formulation of cosmetics, health products, and medicines utilizing moxa as a primary ingredient. This research center is committed to introducing new moxa patch products and ensuring the quality of products brought to the market.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our new technology exhibition hall of AiAi company. Here you can learn about the development history of AiAi Group. You will see the production process and product display. Our product has become a bestseller within 1 year of its launch. These are AiAi product displays. These moxa products are well loved by consumers.
This is the life journey of a moxa plant. The new chapter of AiAi is an ongoing adventure.